Welcome back, kids. I hope you have enjoyed the break and you are staying safe at your places. Now, gear up again to learn something new. But today we will recapitulate the topic we have already done. Guess what's that? Okay, I have clues for you. Before we start the topic, look at the pictures and read the group of words. Have you guessed now? No? Okay, let's move ahead. Is a girl good Mary? All 5 years is she? Brother one has she? Doll plays with her she? And ice cream loves she to eat? Kids, does this group of words make any sense? Are they conveying any meaning to you? Or you find them useless? I hope you must have got a hint till now that what we are going to do. Pause the video here and write in the chat box what we are going to do today. Now, let's read the same group of words but in some other order and find the difference. Fine? So first is Mary is a good girl. Next, she is 5 years old. She has one brother. She plays with her doll. Do you have your favorite toys? Her favorite toy is her doll. And last one is she loves to eat an ice cream. Now children, are these words make any sense? Are they conveying you meaning? Yes, they are telling us a lot about Mary. Now they are making some sense. They are giving a complete meaning. Complete meaning is conveyed to us, isn't it? I'm sure by now you must have guessed the topic. And the topic we are going to discuss today is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. That means when you read those group of words or when you speak those group of words, they convey a meaning to the person to whom you are talking to. As we have already done this topic, let's quickly recapitulate it. So remember kids, each sentence begins with capital letter. Always start your sentence with the capital letter while writing. Fine. And the second one is each sentence ends with a full stop. Not each children, most of the sentences. Sometimes they end in question mark, sometimes they end in a sign of exclamation, but 90% of our sentences they end in full stop. So to understand whether the given group of words is a sentence or not, let's discuss one exercise. Put a tick against the group of words which are sentences and cross against those which are not. It's a useful exercise to identify whether it's a sentence or whether it's a not. So first example is in the drawing room. Now is it conveying you some meaning? Yes, it is conveying, but the meaning is not complete. So we'll put cross here. Fine. Second example, the baby is laughing. It's starting with a capital letter, ending in full stop, and it's conveying a full meaning to us. So we'll put tick because it is a sentence. Next one, are playing the children. No, not at all. All the words are jumbled. All the words are scrambled and they are not conveying us any meaning. So we'll put cross here. Fine. Similarly, next one, my mother. Yes, it is telling about my mother, but what about my mother? The whole meaning is not conveyed to us. It's incomplete. So we'll put cross here. Next one, go away. Though it is again made up of two words, but it's conveying us the meaning that go away, chale jao. So it's complete in its meaning. That's why we'll put a tick. It's a sentence. Fine. Next one. The sky is blue. Yes, it's telling us about the color of the sky and it's conveying that meaning. So we'll put tick again. That means it's a sentence. Next one, season is winter. Does it convey you any meaning? Complete meaning? No? So let's put cross. The sun rises in the east. Yes, it's declaring about the sun. And it's giving us information that it rises in the east. So that's a sentence. So that's why we'll put a tick here. Kids, our next exercises given below are group of words. Rearrange them to make sentences. Now what we'll do, we'll get some scrambled words, or we can say jumbled words. We will rearrange them, we will unscramble them, and we will make a new meaningful sentence out of those group of words. So our first example is girl writes well this. Now you know a sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate, and subject always consists of nouns or pronouns. Here in this group of words, we have girl as a noun. Fine. So we'll bring girl in place of subject, and after subject, you know, there is a verb. So we will write writes because it's an action word known as verb, and then how she writes well. So our sentence will be this girl writes well. Come to the next example. Girl ran little garden the into the. Now we have two nouns here, girl and garden. Can garden run? No, it cannot. Yes, it's a non-living thing. I was joking. Now girl can come. And there is the word little. Children, always remember one thing, that this little word is used with living beings. And for non-living things, we use generally small. So what we will do, we will bring the little girl in the beginning in place of subject, followed by verb. And verb here is ran. And where she ran into? She ran into the garden. So our sentence will be, the little girl ran into the garden. So before attempting this question, please keep these things in mind. Okay, always remember this. Next one, sapling Ravi little the planted. Now again we have two nouns. One is sapling and another is Ravi. Ravi can plant a sapling. A sapling cannot plant Ravi. So our sentence will be, Ravi planted the little sapling. Fine. Next. We school to same the go. Here our subject will be pronoun and pronoun is we. So we, and after that verb, action word. Which is the action word here? Go. Very obvious. So we go to the same school. Very simple. Next. Boy, the saddest. Noun here is the boy. So it became very simple. It became simplest. The boy is sad. And the last one is, these belong to us balloons. So these balloons belong to us. You have to unscramble the words like this to make meaningful sentences. That's all, kids. I hope the topic is clear to you. It's very important in life as we use sentences to communicate in our life. And if you know how to frame good sentences, you will be confident enough to communicate to anyone in the life. So keep practicing this topic. Stay tuned. Stay happy. Bye bye. Take care.